Hey YouTube world, what's up? I'm Josh from a.k.a. and I wanted to share something that I've been really excited about for the last couple of days. This is the carambola, or that makes the starfruit, so starfruit tree. It is a really tropical fruit. One of my favorites. I love it ever since the first time I've tried it. And so over the winter here in Houston, we actually had it snow 3 times, which is really unusual for us. But as a result, even though it was in the greenhouse was unheated, and so it actually died down quite a bit, pretty much to about right here. And so all of this growth you see here, well, you can't really even see all of it, but pretty much it was nothing but a stick sticking out of the dirt in the same container. And so I thought to myself, whenever it started coming back in the mid to late spring, that we probably wouldn't get any more starfruits off of it, probably till next year, like 2019 spring growing season, maybe something like that. I'm going to show you a lot more pictures of some of the flowers, all the way to the full-grown starfruit that we end up eating from last year, right before this went into the winter and died back a lot. About the new carambola flowers that are out on this tree. I thought it was dead just about 6 months ago, and now we are going to be probably having fruit in the next 6 months, I'm hoping, if I can keep the bugs off it. But if you like this video, do me a favor, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe, then you'll be sure to know whenever we put out more videos like this. I definitely have some things coming down the pipeline, and any questions or comments, make sure to put them down below. I will answer them or comment on them as soon as I can. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the garden.